Hey YouTube, Nikolai54 here on X and StockTwits, and I wanted to touch on a couple of new big developments on stock ticker AAGC. Again here, Hollywood Star Cuts, a new startup company that is trading on the pink sheets, microcap, that in my opinion has a huge upside. Look, this week Hollywood Star Cuts is opening 2 new locations in Utah. Over on their X feed, pretty cool stuff. Another one is going to be opened up by the end of the month for a total of 3 here in just November. The other, I believe, 6 or 7 locations from this deal that they had signed for these transitions will transition by March of 2025, I do believe. The pics look good on X from the company, and look, guys, they are scaling as we speak. Stated in the tweet that they are on their way to 50 locations in 2025. Look, that's going to be a 66% growth in just the next year alone, and then that's just going to be at 50 locations if that's all they get to, right? Now, the other tweet from this week was the announcement of a new franchisee in Florida that they have entered into an agreement to convert another 5 locations, which is net new. This is just being announced this week. 5 new locations to Hollywood Star Cuts and building out an additional 2 locations from scratch. So they stated, we are growing at a faster rate than expected. So look, the writing is on the wall with this company, guys. Look, they're debt free. They do not have any toxic financing or convertible notes or any notes or financing for that matter. They're reinvesting the profit back into the stores. That's how they're able to do this. They're buying back shares with 20% of their profit when they have the profit, right? And they have been buying back weekly and monthly here for quite a while. And it looks to me that they're going to be over 5% now, or well over 5% when they make the announcements on what their ownership looks like. They're going to be featured in Entrepreneur's top 50 franchises to watch list. I don't need to tell you how big of a deal that is. I mean, they're getting some eyes on them from some big names out there. And who knows what else is to come in that front. The corporate audit's going to be filed next week. That is next week, guys. I believe it's Monday. I'm sure we're going to get some news on that, letting us know that that's been, submitted. And that's going to open up a ton of doors. I mean, it's just for transparency, given a sense of, credibility to their numbers and to what their filings look like. And to investors down the road here. So, there's uplist aspirations. That's on the roadmap. They've talked about that. They would like to get to the QB and get off the pink sheets. So this audit is going to be a big piece of that. So that's why that's kind of a big focus. And there's just so much coming down the road with this one. The risk reward, in my opinion, is solid at these prices. I don't believe that they will be down here much longer. Again, do your due diligence, look at the filings, follow their X page at Hollywood Star Cuts. Look, see what a successful new startup looks like. Opportunities like this are rare for any market, especially, this one in the particular. Market cap is sitting at 1.8 million, and they're projected north of 5 million next year alone, and that's without the new locations that have just been announced. Look, guys, take a look at this one. Again, I know I've got quite a few videos on this ticker, AAGC. I just think it's one heck of an opportunity down here. Getting some eyes on it to see what this startup is doing and how it's, how it's building out this business. So anyway, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts, your comments, like and follow below. And guys, have a great week in the markets. It's Thursday now, so we just got another day this week. And then next week, like I said, the audit will be filed. I believe it's Monday. So see you guys. Thanks.